Hi, this is Max with Dogtags.com here to show you the color press system. Let's get started by reviewing what came with our color press system. First is the Epson printer, and then the heat press system. Your heat press may look different. Let's start by opening up the box and removing the contents. First we have the manual, the ink cartridges, 4 of them, blue, black, red, and yellow, and then the paper tray. You could install this right away. The power cord, the USB connectivity cable, which is not included. Start by plugging in the USB cable to the back of the computer and then to the printer. Make sure you install the printer drivers. Power on the printer, let it cycle through. Once the printer has fully cycled through, the ink cartridges will be in the replace position on the right side of the printer. Once it's ready, hit the teardrop to pause, open up the carriage, grab your ink cartridges and open them up. The most important thing you need to remember when installing the ink cartridges is to release the air ventilation tab on the print cartridge. It is a yellow tab that needs to be pulled off 100%. Failure to remove the tab will result in the ink not flowing through the cartridge. Install the ink cartridges according to the color grid on the Epson printer. Press down firmly till cartridge snaps into place. Once it has snapped in, repeat the process for the 3 remaining ink cartridges. Close the carriage, hit the teardrop to cycle through once again, and then you're ready to go. Now, grab your color sublimation paper. We use a brand called Texprint. It is logoed on the back. When installing the paper, place the logo facing away from you. Now we start the computer training part of the video. The first step we need to do is download Adobe Photoshop. This is the preferred photo editing software that we like to use. You can obtain a free copy at adobe.com. Once you go to Adobe, select on free trials, and then hit the free trial link on Photoshop. Register as a new user to start downloading. Fill in the necessary information it asks for, like email, password, first name, last name, city, country, state, and the zip code. Select the number of employees that you have within your organization. Select the business type you're in, your industry, and your number of employees. These information boxes are not relevant to the download of the software. You could fill in anything that you would like. Uncheck mark these 3 boxes if you do not want Adobe to contact you via email, mail, or telephone. And scroll down, hit the continue button. Select the version that you need, which is for Windows-based PCs, which is the second option. This download process will take anywhere between 10 and 30 minutes. Select Save and pick a location within your computer to save the application. You could create a new folder if you would like to keep it organized. And hit the Save button. Once it is done saving, go ahead and hit the Open folder and you will see the new software that you've downloaded there. Double click on the application to start the downloading process into your computer. These security windows may not show up on your system depending on your security options. Once the software has fully installed, the setup will start to appear. You may run into this problem if you have other applications open while trying to install the Adobe Photoshop application. If that is the case, please close all programs it asks for. In our scenario, we have Yahoo Messenger open, so simply close it. And then hit the Retry button on the install screen. Hit Accept on the terms and conditions of the application and hit Next to start the immediate installation of the software. When the application is finished installing, hit the Start menu on your computer, go to Program Files, and then the Adobe Photoshop CS3. Let's open up any picture that we want to start working on.